And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101, where we are trying to learn the three pillars. Remember everybody, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way. Trading is a learnable skill not if we learn, but when we learn in the correct way. The MST, M stands for the market, and we are trying to learn about the market with the basic module, beginner module, and then lastly intermediate module. Pillar number 2, S stands for strategy. We are trying to learn about the strategy in the advanced module, and T stands for the trader. Talking about the trader, everybody, more in the Forex course 202. As always, if you are not receiving webinar notifications still from the JForex platform, every webinar, everybody, a message should pop up. Make sense? Like, this and this webinar starting now, or this and this webinar starting in 5 minutes. So if you are not receiving, please send an email to research@dukascopy.com and write politely that you are not receiving webinar notifications from the JForex platform. Hello Alex, how are you? Moving forward, what do champion traders always say? Champion traders always say that I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. This is from Mark Douglas. My known quote here on the left: when the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Follow the rules, everybody, right? Like this one. Check your losers. Well, this is not a rule really, but yesterday we were talking about, trading concept, trading rule, when the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Follow the rules. After the analysis, we must not enter without the confirmation from the confirmation time frame. This would be just one. Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice, everybody. The webinars are for educational purposes only. For homeworks or questions, you can send your questions or homeworks on the Gmail contact or Skype, everybody. And you can follow me on TradingView, right? Now, that being said, everybody, Alexia yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, she was asking about GBP USD. Everybody, give me a second. GBP USD, right? GBP USD monthly chart, clone, GBP USD weekly chart, clone GBP USD daily chart, and clone GBP 4-hour chart, everybody. Weekly, daily, 4-hour chart. Let's compress the chart. This is the weekly chart. Let's compress the chart. This is the monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, and 4-hour chart, everybody. There you go. So this lesson today is going to be an upgrade. Hello Sue, how are you? This lesson today is going to be an upgrade from yesterday's lesson, everybody. Forex 101, market structure and trends, concepts about multiple time frame trading. So everybody, let's make a poll. How are we going to trade GBP USD? How are we going to make pips and money on GBP USD, everybody? Look at the 4 charts and type in the chat, everybody, long or short, and type in the chat what time frame are you going to go long or short on. Make sense? And there is no right or wrong. You can type in the chat 4 hours long, 4 hours short. You can type in the chat daily long or daily short. You can type in the chat weekly long or weekly short, and you can type in the chat monthly long or monthly short. Okay, everybody? So yesterday it was theory, today you have now the live market. We want to make pips and money, correct? So let's get to work. Teacher Sue, Teacher Alex, I'm the student, you are the teachers. Teacher Sue, Alex and Sue, you are the owners of a hedge fund. I am a junior trader, I'm learning how to trade. Teach me, everybody, how we're going to make pips and money on GBP USD. What are the concepts? What are the rules? Somebody's typing on the other streaming platform, what would you do? Everybody, if I tell you what would I would, how would you learn? Make sense? I'm going to tell you in the end what I think in between two. Make sense, everybody? Somebody's typing online, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform, you know, Freedom, do you have a Telegram channel? Freedom, do you give signals? Answer, no. No, I don't have a Telegram channel and I don't give signals. But if you want, you can join the New York trading session every day if you want, dear student. Okay? Remember, in the New York trading session, number one, we don't guarantee anything. Number two, this is not a signal service. Number three, we don't give any advice how to enter, when to enter, what the stop loss. You are going to see different traders doing this. And number four, Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and it's not suitable for every trader and investor. Sue says long on daily, buy on consolidate. Wow, two different things. Nice, very good. Let's go on the smaller time frame first. And Alexa, if you are here, please participate. And if I made a mistake on the currency pair, correct me, everybody. Okay, I believe it was GBP USD yesterday, right? So Alex is a hedge fund owner and he says buy consolidation on the 4 hour. Boss, is the consolidation okay like this? Or would you different? Boss, James, good morning, how are you? Alex, boss, is this consolidation okay like this, or do you prefer different price levels of the consolidation? Good morning, James, how are you? In the meantime, Sue, another owner of another hedge fund, she's saying that long on the daily. Okay, so what pattern are we going to long on? So we're going to buy on the daily. What pattern are we buying? Okay, so we have two. Yes, it's okay. James, you too, my friend. You are a owner of a hedge fund and we are junior traders. We are trying to learn, okay, how would you make pips and money on GBP USD, whatever time frame really. Alex says yes, okay, very good. Boss, can we enter right now? Alex, boss, can we enter right now? Where is the stop loss go and where is the take profit going to go? So take profit and stop loss, right? We want to understand where to profit take and when the stop loss. Sue says I change, I saw wrong. Not a problem. See everybody, we have 4 hedge fund managers in here. James, Alex, Lucas and Sue. How are we going to make pips and money right now on GBP USD, whatever time frame, right? Type in the chat everybody, long or short 4 hour. long on the daily, short on the daily, long on the weekly, short on the weekly, long on the monthly, short on the monthly. So LX boss, where is going to go, what price level is the stop loss going to be, and what price level is going to be the take profit? Lucas, we are not asking you to analyze the charts. Everybody makes sense? We are not analyzing. We want to make pips and money. Lucas, thanks for the analysis, boss. But we want to enter the market. Lucas, thank you very much, but we don't want to analyze anymore. We want to make some pips and money. Make sense? Lucas is saying in the monthly we have a side channel short, on the weekly we have a short and downtrend short, on the daily we have a down structure, on the 4 hour we have a sideways channel. Thank you very much. Teach us how to make money on GBP USD. Alex, stop loss below the lowest. Alex says stop loss below the lowest low, and take profit just below the uptrend might get 1 to 1. Very good. So everybody, we are going to enter the market. Okay, here GBP USD. We are not going to do any calculations, you know, not to waste time. So just, you know, place, we want to buy the market. Are we in? Place offer, are we in? Submit. Are we in? Yes, okay, very good. We just entered the market, everybody. So this is, okay, stop loss, double click. Stop loss maybe. Warning, the risk of an immediate error date, place offer. Do you want to proceed? No. And we are here, right? So we have here, and stop loss goes to, I can barely see everybody, let's change colors. 1.348, 1.348, 1.348, 1.348. Orders, position, stop loss 1.348, 1.34800. Well, 1.34800. Sure. Okay, didn't work. One more time. Entry. We're going to do the easy way. Okay, entry. We're going to buy the market. Stop loss 1.334, 1.34800, and the take profit. You know what is might, okay, up take profit 1.36, take profit 1.36, 1.36086. Submit. Submit order. Yes. Okay. We are in business, Alex. Everybody. Entry, stop loss, take profit. We can move it a little bit higher. Submit. There you go. Okay, we are in the business with Alex. Max says I want to trade in the sideways channel on the 4 hour, but at the top, at the bottom. Sell on the daily pattern, short term down trend line. Okay, very good. Hedge fund owner James, what about you? James, how are we going to make pips and money? There is no right or wrong. We are trading GBP USD, and Sue says sell on daily pattern, short term down trend line. Okay. So where is the stop loss and take profit? Everybody, no, there is no right or wrong. Do you want to learn how to be a professional trader step by step? It's going to take some time, most likely a year or so. Today is one of the lessons that we are asking you to make decisions, you know? Make sense, everybody? Oh my God, I must make decision. Yeah, sure, you know? Today, everybody, you are making the decisions. And there is no right or wrong. Time to buy Porsche. Let's see, right? Let's see. So, Boss Sue, where would you have your stop loss and where would you have your take profit? And Boss Lucas and Boss James, what about you? Do you want to go long, short? What time frame? Everybody, there's no right or wrong. Make sense? Type in the chat, everybody, as Alex and Sue did. Type in the chat long on the 4-hour chart or short on the 4-hour chart, or long on the daily chart or short on the daily chart, or long on the weekly chart or short on the weekly chart, and or long on the monthly chart or short on the monthly chart. You have anything to be afraid of, everybody, make sense? But remember, before, what is your job right now as an owner? You know, it's to use the skill from yesterday. You know, either way, long or short, you should check the confirmation time frame. Somebody's typing, oh my gosh, I forgot to do this. Not a problem. You know, we are going to repeat this. This is the skill. No, I changed again, sorry, I can't enter prematurely. Okay, so what do you want to do on the daily, long or short? Lucas, what about you? James, what about you? There is no right or wrong, everybody, don't be shy, you know? We are, we are all the same. I am a beginner trader as you, and we are looking together at GBP USD, right? And we want to make some pips and money on the demo account first, right? Why on the demo? Because we don't have the numbers yet that are going to show that if we are skilled or not. Make sense? But we can learn and we can make countless mistakes on the demo account. Make sense, everybody? In this sense, don't be shy, don't be scared. I want an answer, Sue, Lucas, James. Yes, everybody, you know. See, this is one of the reasons 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Make sense, everybody? Everybody wants to be a professional trader, but when it's time to act, most of us, we are staying on the sidelines. Make sense? I'm going to watch the streaming, I'm going to watch the webinar, I'm going to watch the YouTube video, I'm going to watch the recording, I'm going to participate live, and I'm going to look and watch, what the others are doing. You are not going to learn anything, everybody. Month, week, and they are all downtrend. What time frame? And congratulations, James, for making a decision. James, we are going to short on what time frame? Everybody? See, everybody, you can have different traders and different hedge fund owners doing different stuff. I will short on the 4-hour, but only when the candle is close red. Okay? So what pattern are you going to short on the 4-hour? Alex, you've done a great job. Don't worry. Your strategy, your way of making bips and money, it's clear. You've done your job. You can pat yourself on the back. Okay. Now, Lucas, Sue, and James, let's work together. What time frame do you want to go long or short? Now, question number 2. What pattern are we going long and short on? And where is the stop loss and where is the take profit? This is the work for today, everybody. You are enrolled in a course. It's for free until you come to the advanced course. If you want, everybody. Make sense? And if you have numbers to show, you can call me and we are going to talk. Make sense? Alex saying, I was struggling like everybody, did not know how to make the decision, but the most important lesson I learned from freedom to make the decision now based on the Wow, congratulations! Somebody is learning. Everybody, you can talk between the... I'm sorry I don't repeat this quite often. Everybody, you can connect between you guys and talk between you, make sense? You can talk to each other. Lucas, I want to go short on the... Wow, Lucas is making a decision. Let's see. I want to go short on the daily structure, sir. Stop loss. Okay, let's see. Lucas stop loss is going to be 1.38413. Okay, this is Lucas stop loss, and the take profit is going to be green at coordinates 1.1.29662. Okay, so this is Lucas, everybody. Congratulations, Lucas, great job. Your trade is clear too. So Lucas is trading the daily structure, extension, retracement. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Right, we are here so far. So everybody, we are going to enter another trade. This is going to be Lucas entry, not buy but sell market. Stop loss Lucas, it's at 1.38413. Good job. And take profit of Lucas is 1.29962. Submit order. Very good, excellent. Looks like we have 2 hedge fund owners. Good job, Lucas. So from July 24 until now I see a downtrend line, so I will trade aggressive downtrend line. Great. So what time frame are we talking about? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? And everybody else online, you can participate. Make sense? I mean, please participate. Everybody, Forex Course 101 in Dukascopy webinars, we are looking for traders. Make sense? We really do. We are looking for traders to partner up and to manage the capital. Make sense, everybody? This is the good news. What is the not so good news? You know, you need to accept that it's going to take a while. It's going to take more or less a year and a half for you to have the numbers. You know, to show us, okay, January, February, March, May, June, July, August, profitable, whatever might be the case. Make sense? You don't need to have everybody 10% per month. You can start making 1% per month, every month, 1%, half percent, 1%, 1%, half percent, you're in. Okay, very good. Sue, congratulations. Now, Sue says, I want to see a down aggressive from July 2014. Where is the scale? Where are we? exit full. July. From July 2019, now I see a down, so I'll trade aggressive downtrend line. Exit full screen. Oh, there you go, like this. Give me a second, everybody. There you go. So from July 2014, I'm seeing a downtrend line. Okay, and I will trade the aggressive downtrend line on the 4-hour chart. So let's go on the 4-hour chart, everybody. Undock. There you go. Let's go on the 4-hour chart. Sue, help me out. The 4-hour chart. So we are going to short what? This one? So is this trend line? Most likely not, right? Because it was broken. Market making lower lows, lower highs, everybody. Let's try to find what Sue is talking about. Long line, maybe this, connecting this and this. I'm sorry, Sue, but I don't have any downtrend line, see? I mean, you have the boss. So you are the boss. I'm the junior trader. Boss, we have a long-term downtrend line, but the market is above the orange one. We have the long-term downtrend line, boss. The orange one. But the market is above, and we have then the aggressive, the red one, and the market is above, boss. How should, if I'm not correct, everybody type in the chat, you know, okay, this is not what I meant. Make sense, everybody? So Lucas, hedge fund owner, congratulations to you. Alex, hedge fund owner, congratulations to you. We are waiting for James, and we are waiting for Sue. Everybody. Yes, somebody say, oh, I was late. We are looking, everybody. So title for today, Forex Course 101, Market Structure and Trends, Concepts about Multiple Time Frame Trading. You have the 4 charts on the screen. Left up corner monthly, left down corner the weekly, right up corner the daily, and right down corner the 4-hour chart. And the question was, you are a hedge fund owner, how are we going to make pips and money on GBP USD where there is no right or wrong? So not mine, but I draw trend line surely wrong. Okay, everybody. So hedge fund owner Alex, great job. Hedge fund owner Lucas, great job. James and Sue. Okay. Tell me, everybody, tell me another pair. We're going to do the same exercise on another pair. We have time, everybody, don't worry. We have time, we have 30 more minutes. We can check another pair. No, not mine, aggressive downtrend, but I draw the downtrend and surely wrong. Most likely, yes, not a problem. Type in the chat, everybody, another currency pair that you want to check. And see, everybody, we have 2 different rates. Hedge fund owner Alex is long. And see here, hedge fund owner Alex is long and hedge fund owner Lucas is short. In 1 or 2 weeks time, or maybe not 2 weeks, Alex, but we are going to see the result, right? What is the result? Both traders can win and both traders can lose. Make sense, everybody? Sir, I want to short the daily structure because we have a side channel on the monthly and the weekly trend is also down. Lucas, thank you very much, but we don't need the analysis. Make sense? Lucas, thank you very much. We don't want to analyze, we want to make pips and money. Make sense, everybody? You don't need to explain why are you doing, we just want you to make decisions today. Oh, don't you want to hear me out why I made the decision? No, it's irrelevant. Your strategy is your strategy. Make sense, everybody? You don't need the confirmation from me to say, oh yeah, you know, you are right, or oh no, you know, you are wrong. There is no right or wrong. Different patterns. If you are going to obey the rules of the pattern, you've done your job. Pat yourself on the back. Teacher Alex, Teacher Lucas, Teacher Sue, Teacher James, what currency pair do you want to check? Another one, yes sir. Where is Alexia today, you know? She was asking GBP USD yesterday, if I recall correct, but she's going to watch the video lately, I believe. Is anybody in any trades? On the demo account, hopefully. Long or short doesn't matter, yes sir. Okay, if there are no ideas or suggestions, everybody, let's open one of the most common one, huh? Euro dollar, Euro USD, Euro dollar, Euro USD, monthly chart, clone, Euro USD, weekly chart, clone, Euro USD, daily chart, clone, and Euro USD for our chart. Ah, Lucas, now USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD, very good. USD CAD. Lucas is asking for USD CAD and USD CAD again. USD CAD. Okay, everybody. David says shorted euro dollar on limits 113 blind short on the 50-minute time frame. Use the daily level at the refined on the 50-minute end line with weekly pivot point and walked away with my limit order. Thank you very much. Okay, everybody, USD CAD. How are we going to make pips and money on USD CAD? Give me a second, everybody. I need to clean up. Okay. I want to play more entry with limit orders to enter the market. Is only break and retest, or do you have other ideas? You have all the course, David, to learn other ideas. Okay, make sense? Great comment. So, hedge fund owner David, how are we going to make pips and money on USD CAD? Hedge owner Lucas, hedge owner Sue, hedge owner Alex. Same question, how are we going to make pips and money on USD CAD? Yes, exactly the same we did on GBP USD, right? Look at the charts and type in the chat, you know, 4 hour long, 4 hour short, or daily long or daily short, or as David is saying, you know, 15-minute long or 15-minute short. Type in the chat. There is no right or wrong either way. You are the boss, everybody. I'm the junior trader learning how to trade from you. Make sense, everybody? Oh, but you are the teacher. Not today. Not today. Today I'm the student, everybody, okay? Same question. So hedge fund owner Lucas and hedge fund owner Alex, you did a great job. We are in 2 demo trades. Don't freak out, this is a demo account, okay? We are learning. Now let's try to do the same thing on USD CAD monthly, weekly, daily, and the 4-hour chart. Big range USD CAD. Yes sir, how are we going to make money? I want to go, hedge fund owner Lucas, I want to go long on the consolidation on 4-hour. Okay, owner Lucas, where is the stop loss and take profit? If I go long 1, 2, 6, 5, 0 limit order, David, not limit order, enter the market right now, okay? And David, on what time frame are we talking about? Okay, what time frame are we talking about? So where the stop loss is going to go, David, and where is going to be the take profit? Okay, we can make a projection too, right? Why not? So let's make it in blue, pending order in blue, pending order, everybody. Okay, this is edit level, this is going to be David limit order, David limit order slash buy, and edit coordinates. David wants to limit at 1.26580. okay, hedge fund owner David, where is going to be the stop loss and take profit, and on what time frame? In the meantime, hedge fund owner Lucas is saying stop loss below the bottom and take come on, I need numbers, Lucas. Numbers, don't tell me it's the bottom and top, and because makes sense. I don't know what bottom and top you are referring to. Fair enough, Lucas. Numbers. So one more time, we are waiting for the hedge fund owner David to tell us where is going to be the stop loss, where is going to be the take profit, and on what time frame. Then we are waiting for hedge fund owner Lucas, where is going to be the stop loss and where is going to be the take profit, and on what time frame. I mean 4-hour chart consolidation, okay. Then we are waiting for a hedge fund owner Alex to decide how we're going to make pips and money on USD CAD monthly, weekly, daily, or any other smaller time frames. And then we are waiting for hedge fund owner Sue to tell us how we're going to make pips and money on USD CAD any time frame. Long 15 minutes. Oh, very good. So we're going to clone, everybody. 15 minutes. I don't have it, so add more. A minute. We need to add 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Do we have it? 15 minutes. Okay. USD CAD. So hedge fund owner. 15 minutes. Hedge fund owner David says long 126580. You know, take profit is going to be at, give me a second, everybody. Take profit is going to be at 1.26580. Where is made a mistake? Edit coordinates. Long daily take profit 1.2 1.27500. You know, so this is the hedge fund owner David, everybody. limit order buy, take profit up in here, and stop loss, let's make it in red. 1.26000. 1.26000. Okay, thank you very much. We're going to see how this is going to play out. Lucas on the 4-hour chart is saying, okay, so edit coordinates, stop loss is going to be at 1.26328. Lucas entering right now, right? And take profit, Lucas is going to be on the 4-hour chart. Lucas is saying take profit at 1.27770. Okay, thank you very much. There is a range on weekly. I don't trade ranges, so I stay out. Hedge fund owners, so look at the other chart. You cannot stay out, everybody. Makes sense? Everybody, this is me. This is FXFreedom, the coach right now. Okay? Not the teacher, but FXFreedom, the coach. This is FXFreedom, the coach. Everybody, you must understand that, sure, we are telling you that you don't need to trade everything, but if you want to make pips and money, and if you want the Lambo, you cannot stay out. Not just so, everybody, makes sense? Oh, I'm staying out. I'm staying out. Well, you have the monthly, weekly, daily, not just so, everybody. You have the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. You have even the 15-minute chart, and you are saying, oh, I'm staying out. How are you going to, oh, I don't like the Lambo. Well, buy a house or buy a helicopter. Go travel all around the world. How are you going to fulfill your dreams, talking about Forex freedom, if you are staying out? Make sense, everybody? Not just so, everybody. Find a tradable pattern. Make sense, everybody? You cannot learn this game. Listen to me. You cannot learn this game, for the lack of a better word. It's not a game. You cannot learn this profession not trading. Make sense? Everybody? You can. You simply can't. It's like, oh, I want to learn how to swim. Well, there is theory, but there in some point in time you need to jump into the water. Oh, but I don't want to jump into the water. How are you going to learn how to swim if you don't jump into the water? Make sense? It's exactly the same. You cannot learn trading staying out. And James, do you look at the DXN when considering US trade? Answer yes, James, but this is in the advanced course. David, mistake in stop loss. Not a problem. Not a problem, David. Mistake in a stop loss. 1, 2. So one more time, edit coordinates 1.26200. Okay, very good. Buy on 4 hour with stop loss. Okay, so very good. Now, everybody, we are going to do 2 more trades. Hopefully, also David is going to be in. Now we are going to buy for Lucas and Alex. Okay, so entry, market buy. Let's talk about Lucas first. Stop loss 1.26328. Stop loss sell, pardon, by 1260 12. Stop loss for Lucas is 1.26328, and the take profit for Lucas is going to be 1.27770. Lucas, this is your trade. and then we are going to buy market. And talking about hedge fund owner Alex, stop loss 1.26638, and take profit at hedge fund owner Alex 1.27690. Are you having fun, everybody, today? We're having fun, right? Trading is fun, really. I will do as Lucas said. James, okay, very good. Now let me see those trades, everybody. USD CAD on the 4-hour chart. So we're going to delete this one just for the sake, and let me see, everybody. Stop loss, take profit, stop loss 126,328, 12632, and Alex is 1266. 1266, 1263, very good. 1266, 1263, 1266, and 1263. This is what? 1266, and this is 1263. So, everybody, this is Lucas stop loss. Lucas stop loss is here, and clone. Alex stop loss is here, edit label. Alex stop loss is going to be here. Okay, different take profit levels too. Let's see if the market is going to limit. We need to wait. Yes, okay, very good. Excellent, everybody. So, hedge fund owner Alex, pat yourself on the back. You made decisions. Hedge fund owner David, pat yourself on the back. Good job. Hedge fund owner Lucas, pat yourself on the back. Hedge fund owner Sue, I will do as Lucas. Yes, great job. It makes sense, you know. Your trade is transparent, everybody. You have a stop loss. You have a take profit. You explained the patterns, make sense? So tomorrow and the next days we are going to see how this is going to play out. Make sense, everybody? Okay. GBP USD was the first. GBP USD was the first. GBP USD was the first. Okay. GBP USD we have Lucas and Alex, right? So everybody. Now talking about the lesson from yesterday, the confirmation time frame. Alex is buying the sideways channel. Thus he has a sideways channel from the daily. And the answer is hedge fund owner Alex. This is hedge fund owner Alex. Oh, come on. Forex. Hedge fund owner Alex, this is the upper band, this is the lower band. Hedge fund owner Alex, you have bullish candlestick formation from the daily. Congratulations to you. You are going long. Great probability on this trade, which we are going to see what is going to happen. Hedge fund owner Lucas is shorting, everybody. Is shorting the down market away from the daily. Okay, so before we enter into the market we need to check and see what is the weekly doing, right? So we are going to zoom in the chart. Zoom in the chart. This is GBP USD weekly chart, and okay, so on the weekly chart, this is the extension and this is the retracement so far. Okay, now hedge fund owner Lucas, I'm seeing you are still the hedge fund owner Lucas, but boss, I'm seeing a higher low, and we are shorting the market on the daily. You know, how is this going to play out long term? And hedge fund owner Lucas I'm seeing that the market is breaking the downtrend line. So going long on the daily chart, okay, going long on the daily chart, and the take profit is at 1.296, 1.296, 1.296, 1.296, whatever. Okay, hedge fund owner Lucas, everybody, there is no right or wrong. Oh, I just made a mistake. There are no mistakes, just lessons to be learned. You know, everybody, let's make a poll. What do you think? Is the trade from the hedge fund owner Lucas high probability or low probability? What do you think? I'm going to stay quiet. I'm the student here. I don't know. I'm looking at the chart. I'm trying to learn how to trade. But I was in the lessons of some strange guy from Brazil called FXFreedom, and the guy told us that we should think in probabilities and that we should have more and more reasons to go long or short. So I'm seeing that the market broke the downtrend line and I'm seeing a higher low. So makes sense, everybody? What do you think? You know, I know what I think. You need to learn this stuff, not me. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong. No, I'm not saying that Lucas is wrong. I'm asking a question. Alex says low probability. We are not going to close the trade, everybody. We are going to wait and see. Make sense? What do we know, right? Maybe the market is going to fall. Teacher James, Teacher Sue, Teacher David, what do you think about Lucas straight from the daily chart going short and profit take down in here? Is a high probability trade or it's a low probability trade? Alex says low probability. Everybody, come on, we have 3 more minutes, then we need to go. 3 more minutes. Alexa, this is too difficult. This is not for beginners. Everybody, as Alexa is saying, if this is too difficult, you can come to ask for private classes, okay? Make sense? Contact me on Skype, send me an email and ask for private classes, okay? Unfortunately, everybody, we have a schedule, okay? We have lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, so we are going to cover this. Low because I am trading the retracement. Well, not true. You can, which level is this? Alexa, would you be so kind and be more specific? Are we talking about the chart or are we talking about the levels like beginner, intermediate? Teacher James, Teacher Sue, what do you think about Lucas? And Lucas saying low because I'm trading the retracement. Lucas, it's not the same, makes sense? So this is the weekly chart. Okay, and now it's not the same, Lucas, if you would enter here or if you would enter here or if you would enter here. Make sense, Lucas? This is not the same, especially because we are seeing the market making a higher low. Do you Or can you understand, Lucas? This entry and this entry and this entry are not the same as this entry. Why not, boss? Because this entry, in here you didn't have higher lows. It was lower low, lower low, lower low. But when you entered, and we are not judging anybody, this is education, this is the skill, but when we entered, we had a higher low. See, hedge fund owner Lucas? We have a lower low, not in here, lower low, lower low. Now we have a higher low in here. The level of this webinar, Alexia, you are going to be surprised. This is beginner level stuff. Okay? But I agree, sometimes we are too speedy, right? We are speeding up, Alexia. So you can say, okay, calm down. Everybody, not just Alexia. If I'm going too fast, type in the chat. Freedom, calm down. Hold the horses. Explain one more time. Lucas, yes, understandable. Alexia, is the multiple time frame trading? Sure. Everybody, this is beginner stuff, what we are teaching you. True, fair enough, maybe we are going too fast, the explanation makes sense. But this is basic module, market structure, highs and lows, everybody. Make sense? And we are keep telling you, everybody, watch this lesson starting from number 1. Watch this lesson 2 or 3 times. You cannot get this in one, don't be so naive, everybody, that you are going to, oh, I'm going to watch this lesson and I'm going to learn. You won't. Make sense, everybody? Watch these lessons too. I'm not joking. It's not about being intelligent and smart. Our brain, as human beings, cannot sustain that much information. It's too much. But when you are going to watch again and again and again, we are all the same, we learn in the same way, you are going to get it. Make sense? Alex saying everybody needs to go back to the webinar and watch again. Exactly. And when you watch, everybody, the webinar 3 times, and if you don't understand, send me an email. Alexia and everybody else, send me an email. I don't get this one. I don't understand this and this and that. Make sense, everybody? Send me an email. Hello, how are you? On the webinar number 2, highs and lows, at the minute, 15 minutes and 33 seconds, you are saying this and this and that, and I cannot understand what you're talking about. I'm going to help you, everybody. But nonetheless, this is beginner stuff. Okay, everybody? Our time is up. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom. Signing off.